Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start mining Bitcoin. First, understand that Bitcoin mining requires specialized hardware and significant electricity. We'll cover the essential equipment, software setup, and important considerations for profitability. This guide will help you navigate the initial steps, ensuring you have a clear understanding of what's involved. It's an exciting venture, but preparation is key to success in this competitive field. To begin mining, you'll need an application-specific integrated circuit, or ASIC, miner. These powerful machines are purpose-built for Bitcoin's hashing algorithm. You'll also require a strong power supply unit, often rated for 2,000 watts or more, to fuel your miner. Don't forget about cooling. Proper ventilation or immersion cooling is essential to prevent your equipment from overheating and ensure its longevity. A stable internet connection is also paramount. Once your hardware is ready, you'll need to set up mining software. This software acts as a bridge, connecting your ASIC miner to a mining pool. Joining a pool is highly recommended, as it combines your computing power with others, increasing the likelihood of solving blocks and earning consistent, albeit smaller, rewards. You'll also need a secure Bitcoin wallet to receive your payouts, ensuring your hard-earned Bitcoin is safely stored. Before diving in, carefully consider the economics. Electricity costs are your biggest operational expense, often making or breaking profitability. Research your local electricity rates. Anything above 10 cents per kilowatt hour can significantly reduce your margins. Also, Bitcoin's price and the network's mining difficulty are constantly changing, directly impacting your potential earnings. Factor in the initial investment for your hardware against the projected returns to make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.